So, it has been quite a while since I posted on YouTube, so I thought my first video back in quite a while would be a haul video. Recently, within the last month or so, I've kind of really gotten back into card making and crafting, and I kind of wanted to get a couple new things to, be inspired by. So, the first thing I got was this Our House Dies. Now, this did come in a bundle when I bought it, so I was able to get the Our House, their base dies, and then I got the add-on set. Now the add-on set I did have to get from scrapbook.com because they were completely sold out of it. So this is a pretty big set. Now this is not part of that set. That's a part of another part of the haul. But I got these really big magnetic sheets as well from Amazon, and they come in these folders. And I love these folders. I mean, it holds all my little scrap pieces. Now, I have not gotten very far with this one just because I've gotten quite a few sets, so this is about as far as I've gotten. But the set also included a little stamp set which has like the little bricks. It's got all these like cute little sentiments to go along with it. And then I also got the embossing folder. Now I really like this. I recently got the Impress Elite die cutting machine because my Gemini finally took its last days. So I was really impressed on how well this cut. So that was the Our House bundle. Now I also did pick up, and it's on the same set, the swatch book, color combo swatch book set. So it comes with the die to cut out the swatches. Now I would use this more for paper because I really don't have, I have some Concord 9Th inks, but not a ton of them. But I do really enjoy their paper. So this is the set here. You get your two little binder pieces, and then you get these little spacers. So I am excited to use that. Now with that one, that did come with a stamp set, and it shows all the all the colors of their inks and papers. And I just thought this would be really nice even if I wasn't using Concord and 9th. So that was the Our House bundle set and the color combo swatch book. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is the On Display collection and then By the Fire collection. Now I do have an example of both of these that I've done. I made my father-in-law his Christmas card with the By the Fire set, and I really enjoyed that, making that one. Now, like I said, these sheets are great because they hold so many dies, especially those larger die sets. And like I said, I got them on Amazon. I'll try to link them if I can find where I've gotten them again. So this is the On Display, and I tried to keep them a little bit separate. So you have, this little cat, you have a lot of flower or greenery, and then you have the main piece to it. Now I do have, and let me grab it, I made one for my daughter. She really likes cats. So this is one I started, and these all fold flat. Like, that's what I love about these sets. They all fold completely flat, fit in A2 size cards. I mean, it's pretty nice. So this is the On Display set. Now I only used a couple pieces out of here. Like I said, I'm still playing around with it, but I really enjoy die cutting all these. When my anxiety is through the roof, like this, that is very calming for me. So with that one, now here is another picture from their display, and I do keep all these. That one also came with the stamp set, and it has the little cat face on it. So you get a lot of little sentiments, you get little like decoration stamps. And then the next one is By the Fire. So this whole collection here is the By the Fire stamp set. So you get quite a few pieces. And I do have an example. I just haven't put it on a card base yet or added a sentiment to that one. But I do have that here. And I did make it to where my little door can open. So you have, your little fire on the inside, and it's got a little basket. It's a really cute stamp set. Now you could totally, like I said, make this masculine because that's what I did with my father-in-law. So that's the By the Fire. And again, so here's the stamp set, I'm sorry. So you get the little rug marks, little, like a plaid background. and then some cute little sentiments to go along with it. So like I said, these folders and these magnetic sheets have been great. They have actually been a lifesaver, and I can put in all my pieces that I've die cut that I haven't used yet. With this set though, I also did pick up, now this wasn't part of the bundle, this was a separate purchase, but I got the wood slat embossing folder, and with this card here you can really see how well it really impressed into the paper. And this isn't like super thin paper either, but it did run through the impress really, really well. I was really impressed with how well this impress is working for me. So I'm going to grab the next one and I'll be right back. So this next one is the window shop. I just put it as collection, but it's the base and the flower shop and the bake shop bundle. I have been using these quite a bit, and I have a bunch of examples to show you guys. I was actually working on one for a video that I've been working on. So this is actually the base die to it, and this has a good many pieces. It might seem overwhelming at first, but it is so easy to put together. So you have your little door and little string of lights, and then in this one is the flower shop. So you get the flower shop like little die cuts, and then you have all these little pieces that you could put your own little flower shop together. And then you have the bake shop one, which is again why I love these magnetic sheets, is they really hold a lot. So you have some, you know, your little baguettes, pretzels, a little sourdough, cupcakes, cakes. So these were really fun to put together. And in this one, as you can see, I'm just throwing my dies everywhere. For the bake shop and the flower shop, you have this like layering brick, which it all layers together so nicely. You have your little open sign, and then, you know, some nice little sentiments. And then this is the bake shop one. So it's got this cute little coffee cup and tea, and, you know, cute little sets to go with it. So that was the bake shop window pop-up base and the flower shop all together. So here's the pieces. Like I said, I keep all of these. This is what you get in the flower shop bundle. And then this is the pop-up shop, the window pop-up shop. And then we have one more, which is the bakery. So it's super cute. So I'm going to go grab the other set that I have and show you guys. And I'm going to grab the examples I have for these ones as well. So here are a few of my examples of the bake shops that I did. And like I said, these all fold down completely flat, so they will fit into an A2 size envelope. So with this one, you know, I just added a little bit of acetate. I did make it so my door could open. I kind of fashioned a little hinge. But these little, they're so cute. They're so adorable. Here is another bake shop one that I did, with just a couple different colors, a little different sign on there. And again, I did open the window, and I also, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, threw some glossy accents on my pretzels. Now here's one of the boutique that I did, and I really, really like these. I mean, like I said, they fold flat, A2 size card. And this one, I didn't do a hinge because this was the first one that I did. So, but I do have like the little mirror and the little dress stand, and then of course you have your, you know, accessories to go along with it. So the next one I'm going to show you guys, this one is the pop-up shop collection, the fashion shop collection, and the bookshop collection. Now here, and very recently, I've really taken reading back up again. It really just helps calm my nerves, my anxiety, all the fun stuff that we deal with as we're getting older. So this right here, this piece here, is your base to your pop-up shop. So you get, you know, this table and chairs, you get these, you know, you get all these little pieces to decorate with. And then you have your little door. This is the bookshop bundle. So you get all these like little books, little book frames. You have another little cat there, a little ladder. And then this is the boutique stand or die set that comes along, you know, that goes along with these pop-up shops. Now you can use them all independently. You don't even need the shop base to do that. I do have one example of one I was working on earlier. So this one I don't have down yet. I recommend if you're going to do these, only do the bottom first, because it lets you put all your pieces in without having to fumble around with it. So this is my little bookshop that I've been working on, and I just use some black cardstock with a little bit of gold accents to it. But as you can see, you get, I mean, there's a lot in here, and there's also coordinating stamp sets that go along with it. Let me see if I can get these out of here. So this is the fashion shop one, and it's got like little patterns where you could decorate your purses or your dresses or shoes. Let's see, this is the bookshop bundle. So it shows you everything that comes in the bookshop. And then this is the stamp set. So they have a lot of fun, interactive, you know, pieces that you could work with. Now this is here's the one for the boutique. See, I told you guys, I save all these things. And it shows everything that you get in the boutique set. Which, I had no idea. I forgot that was a hat. And then this is actually the base. So you get everything you see here for the base with that set. So that is the pop-up base sets. Let me grab, I have one more to show you guys and I'll be right back. Okay, so I guess that was it from Concord and 9th. I will have some other hauls posted. I am going to make a video of me putting together, this is the start of the one I was starting to put together. So I will finish this video and get it posted for you guys, but I have a couple more hauls coming. This is just an easier way for me to ease back into YouTube and not feel so anxious. So I hope you guys got a little bit of inspiration and found some new products to use. So until next time, guys, bye.